Are we back to the drops?
Yeah. Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Back in the same spot?
Back in the same spot.
That's pretty funny. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's the loop he was talking about. Yeah. Fuck it, I'm gonna do the jump. Alright. Oh, see that good.
Greg.
Now I don't know where to go next. Greg coming. I forgot where we went. Did we go that way or something? I just.
Oh hell.
He did it? Oh, sweet. Nice.
He's coming through. I was like, fuck.
He nose dived in. That's alright.
You made it. You survived, man.
So I don't know where we go next. I forgot what Ray did. You remember, Justin?
Well, after this, we ended up going to that place where he went to.
Yeah, that long.
So then in the end,
Let me pull up the video. Hold on, we'll watch
nah,
it.
but to go to Holloman, it's that way.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then we stayed on the right of the creek because we ended up coming back. Remember we got
Yeah.
lost in that one spot in the creek.
Yeah.
That's like over here somewhere.
Yeah.
Link in the chain.
And then we went all the way.
Oh
Oh
shit.
shit.
Okay.
I got what kind of I got extra links, I think. I got quick links.
See how it bent?
Oh, I can see.
Oh,
it there,
shit.
Right there, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's causing it. Yep. They might be able to straighten it out with some screwdrivers or something, or some kind of temporary. You know?
No channel locks here, man.
Throw up on the workbench and get the vice grip, and then yeah. XTR components, damn man.
Back in the day.
Yeah, I can see that. That's in bad shape. Yep.
I got a chain brake tool, but it's not gonna really help straighten that out.
Yeah, we're good right now, man. Don't worry.
No, we can go right again.
That's what that sound from his brakes are.
Yeah, it might not take us to the trailhead.
He's coming. Watch out.
Yeah, you can put that on social media.
Yeah. I gotta edit that out for my pull.
We're gonna try that way, Chris.
Which way?
Your way.
Not that way, really?
Yeah, because it doesn't look like it goes directly back. There's a lot of green.
Right.
Yeah, but we don't know.
Okay.
Or otherwise we go that way, right?
That takes us back out there.
Back where we're just doing all that stuff.
Yeah.
All right, man. We'll see. It's good, man.
Back to the pool.
Come on. What's the word? I think it hangs to the right and stays down on this side.
Yeah. I, climb. And a bigger climb.
I bet you this is blue line coming down. Yeah. Greg, this is probably blue line coming down.
Who's got the motor?
Yeah. You don't want to know.
Kenny, what happens on the other side stays on the other side.
You're innocent.
You got it? Summer gun. Yeah, there's a trout through here. Yeah, that might be the blue line right here. Yeah, it's pretty chunky. Little drop off.
Maybe it's meant to come up.
That way? Yeah. Did you make it?
No.
I was like, holy shit.
Do it again?
Yeah.
All right. That boy.
I was gonna put a heart, you know, between you and the tree.
Let me see if my back the other way. If my chain will hold up.
Uh-oh. That didn't sound too good.
Watch that cactus there. There you go. I heard it clink. No, like, ooh, gonna break the chain.
You got it. You got it. Easy.
Hold on, I gotta do the pogo.
Hey, that's a win.
You trying to hug that tree now? Nah, I tried doing the pogo. I couldn't do it.
Blue pig, go for it.
Good.
I don't know where we're going, but
Probably heading back towards the pool.
yeah.
Yeah. Chunky. Rudy chunks. Oh, we're back. 10:30.
I don't know the quick way back to the jump. You would go back there. I don't want to go through the 7 layers of spaghetti.
I think there's a quick way.
I think
There's got to be a quick way.
I just don't know where it is.
There's a link on Strava. I'm gonna study it.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
To the bottom.
Probably another